Hey guys, so welcome back. This is how to send encrypted email Outlook. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to encrypt your email messages. So in order for you to do that, first just simply go ahead and open up the Outlook software. Now over here, just do the usual thing by creating a new email over here on the top left corner of the screen. Now guys, once you are here, you will have an option to, of course, provide the person that you are going to send it to, provide the email and the message. And now, in order for you to encrypt the email, you just simply select options over here. Now, here on the options, you should be able to have an option over here, encrypt. So guys, when you select encrypt, you should be able to restrict people who receive this message from forwarding it to other people. So guys, when you send an email with encrypted one, they cannot do anything about it, but only read it. And that's simply about it. Once you are done, just simply select send and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more guys. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.